Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Sandeep Pargi. I am the pulmonologist and sleep specialist at Aster Hospital, Mankul. Today I am going to speak about the sleep and most important World Sleep Day, which is one of the important occasion as any other day which we celebrate, but the most underrated health issue which has been neglected by the individuals. So as any other health issue like what we are going through, the pandemic, or we are going through any other health risk factors like coronary artery disease or diabetes or hypertension, sleep is also one of the important things which can affect your health and which can lead to complication if it is not been addressed. World Sleep Day. So what is the slogan of this year? Regular sleep and healthy future. If you have a regular sleep and a good amount of duration of the sleep, it can lead to a very healthy future. So what is the good amount of sleep? At least 7 to 8 hours of sleep is very important for any individual. Irrespective of the age, especially in adults, the younger they sleep a lot more than the adults, but any adult, at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep is very important. So I will go through some tips which can make you sleep, which can regulate your sleep pattern and at least give you proper 7 to 8 hours of sleep. The most important is establish a regular bedtime. If you are working in the daytime and it's not a night shift and you come back home like a regular timing at 5 or 6 o'clock, make sure you maintain a regular sleep time irrespective of your activities which you do before the sleep. So fix a time 9, 10, 11 and stick to it. Also the exercise time, it's important. Exercise is important, but don't do it 4 to 5 hours before your sleep. If you have a habit of taking a small nap in the afternoon, make sure it is not more than 45 minutes. Avoid excessive alcohol and it should not be consumed at least 4 to 5 hours before your sleep. Same with coffee, there should be a gap of 4 to 5 hours before the sleep. Avoid eating heavy meal in the night. Take a small meal and should be a gap of at least 1 to 2 hours before your sleep. Exercise regularly, as I said, but not before your bed. Use a comfortable bedding. Invest in your bedding. It's one of the most important investment you will do. Use a comfortable mattress so that you can sleep well. Find a comfortable and soothing temperature, not very hot or very cold, and maintain it so that your body is used to such a particular temperature. Block all distracting noise or lights, which again can affect your sleep. And lastly, reserve your bedtime and very strictly for your sleep, irrespective of your day-to-day activities or any events coming. Make sure you get your proper sleep 7 to 8 hours. I hope these tips would help you sleep regularly, because regular sleep leads to healthy future. Thank you.